So this is my Padlet. I can talk about the class as a whole. First, I thoroughly enjoyed the class, everything that we learned from Microsoft Publisher, which is right here, using it to make a brochure for traveling. I thought that was a great way to show, to make a brochure. You could include pictures and also information. I thoroughly enjoyed going through the Web 2.0 tools. We had Easily, and I really liked this because it showed infographics and how you can make them, which you can use in the classroom or also in your job. We used Poplet, which I really liked Poplet because Poplet's a great way to organize your thoughts. Prezi was probably one of my favorites because Prezi allowed us to present not just using PowerPoint. It was a new and exciting way to present, which I really liked. I also really liked doing the iMovie. We did a Mad Lib. I thought that was a fun way to get together with a group of people to socialize and to also use the camera to record and edit video, which you need to know and learn so you can use in the future. And then our final presentation we did on Google Slides, which I really liked. Google Slides, I love Google Slides. I used to always use PowerPoint, and after this class, I don't think I'll probably ever use PowerPoint again. It's so easy to share, pull up, access at any time, and the templates are great and easy. So in conclusion, all of these things I learned, from how to use Padlet to the screencast to using Google Slides and QR codes. It was overall a super great class where I learned so many technology-based things that will really help me in the future.